Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Kia here today with This, That, and Tech, and today we got tech. I wanted to start a new series of quick tech tips or tech tips. So today we're going to do a tech tip. We're going to talk about how to utilize some of the stock apps on an iPhone. I see that a lot of people have iPhones, but they utilize Google products. They go and download everything Google. So today I'm going to start with one application here that's stock, and it is my favorite, and it keeps me accountable and it keeps me on schedule. We're going to start with reminders. So let's go ahead and open up the Reminders app. I'm not going to allow for the location to be on at this time, but it is a feature where you can create location-based reminders. Today, we're just going to be focusing on the basics. Let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, we have zeros all at the top up here. There's nothing scheduled. So we're starting fresh. At the bottom right down here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add a list. Adding a list is part of a series of things. So when you create a list, it'll be a series of reminders within that list. So let's go ahead and hit add a list. I'm going to name this daily, workday. So this list will keep me accountable for when I'm at work. So when I'm at work, there are a list of things that I need to complete or do, and I want to be reminded about it daily. So we're going to put that in red. I'm going to go ahead and hit done. Now that we've created the list, I'm going to go ahead and go inside of that list by clicking on it. Now this is where the fun happens. We're going to go ahead and create a reminder. So within my workday list, I want to create reminders to remind me of things to do at work. All right, let's go ahead and hit new reminder down at the bottom left. So the first reminder I want to do is to clock in. All right, I want to hit the information icon or the eye icon. That's going to help me set the time I want to be reminded to do this. I'm going to select the date. Excuse me. Okay, so now that that's enabled, we're going to go ahead and select the date. Today's a Sunday, so that's fine. Let's go ahead and just hit the 3rd. I just want to show you how this works. Boom, we're going to do that. 12:15. Let's go for 12:20. All right. And I want this to repeat on weekdays. Okay. So I want to be reminded on weekdays, or weekends for the sake of this video. On weekends, okay, at 12:20 to clock in, okay? And it never ends. This is a priority, so I'm going to set it as high. I'm going to go back. I'm going to check everything. So on my workday list, this is where you would assign different lists if you had them assigned. So it's on my workday list, and it's set as a high priority, and I want it to repeat on weekends, which is Saturdays and Sundays at 12:20 p.m. Okay? Done. I'm also going to set a new reminder again. Pick up mail. And you're going to get the point here. So basically, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to speed this up and pick up mail. Lunch. We're going to go ahead and add a new list. We're going to put groceries. Hit done. We're going to go inside of groceries and we're going to add a new reminder. I need milk. apples, oranges, kiwis, bananas. You get the point. All right. And let's say I want to be reminded on the 20th to do this. Okay. At 6 o'clock. And this is to never repeat. But I'm going to put this on a low priority or let's put it on medium. Okay. I'm going to hit done. Now, milk is the only one I'm just going to put there. Now, I'm going to set everything else for a specified date, which is the 20th. We're going to hit done. Date, the 20th, done. The 20th, done. And I know it's repetitive, but it works. Now that we're back here, we have 10 items set. So as you can see, these numbers for today changed and what's scheduled is the same in all. If you select all, you're going to see every list that you have created and every task within that list, or every reminder, within that list to do. Okay. So I have 2 lists with 5 items apiece, each equaling 10. So you'll see 5 and 5. I have 10 things scheduled for today, and then for Wednesday, you're going to see on everything I have scheduled for the 20th, right? Boom, just like that. Now, when it's time to be reminded, as you can see, I only have 5 things that are scheduled for today because I scheduled them for today. And this is how this will always operate. It will show you what you have to do for the day, and then it will show you what you have scheduled, and in total, what you have scheduled. All right, now, as you can see, if I swipe down, I have a reminder to clock in. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to clock in. Now, the neat thing about this is once it's done, only thing I have to do is clock in, just like that, and it goes away. And the rest of the reminders will pop up accordingly. So once you have them completed, you can just click on them and they'll go away. And then it'll default to the next weekend or the next day, which is the 9th. All right, guys, so that's it for this tutorial. Please let me know if you enjoyed this quick tip for iPhone edition and iOS reminders. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you did, hit a thumbs up and subscribe.